Hello everyone and welcome to Bevins Builds, and in today's video, continuing on with the pond series, we're going to be installing some really cool pond lights. So if this is something that interests you, stick around because it's coming up. Now before we jump in and start installing them, I do want to point out a few things. Number one, the reviews on these online say that they will not stay underwater, and by how light they are and the fact that they're watertight, I'm going to say that I can already see that's going to be an issue. So my solution to hold these lights down is going to be, I'm going to be placing a brick on top of them to give them a little extra weight. Keep in mind, I have piles of these, so for me it's no expense at all. If you don't have bricks just laying around your yard like I do, you can also use fieldstone or any other heavy item in your yard to hold it down. But if not, just simply go get some landscaping rock to hold them down in place as well. I also want to point out that all four of those lights are pre-wired. And they're pre-wired with 3 feet in between them and a 6-foot cable that you can actually plug into something. So I just want to make sure that you're aware if you're looking at these particular lights, because I'm going to be putting the link in the description of this video below for them if you like how they look when I'm done with them anyway. And you want to be able to purchase them, you can. But again, like I said, I want to point out that the cord in between them is 3 feet and the actual length of the cord to plug in is only 6 feet in length. These lights do come with a remote control, which I'm going to show you right here, and it has several functions. You have flash, strobe, fade, and smooth, and you can adjust the intensity of the brightness of these as well. Just to give you an example, let's just go to a solid color. Now let's turn the brightness up. That's fully bright. That's fully dim. And keep in mind, this will be a lot brighter once it's in the water. But then you can also go through 4 different stages. You have flash, and you can speed up and slow down the flash by using these. So let's speed it up. That's as fast as it'll go. Let's slow it down. And that's as slow as it goes in flash mode. And then we have strobe, fade, and what they call smooth, so it transitions through the colors. And again, with every single stage, you can speed it up so it goes through a quick fade, or you can slow it down so it goes through a slow fade. Anyway, let's go ahead and start getting these popped into the pond. Just to show you, just like the reviews all stated, they are going to float, and those suction cups do not hold it down too well. So now we're going to go ahead and take the bricks and get them installed. Okay, we got them all in the water and held down by some bricks. Now we're just going to wait for it to get dark out so we can see how it looks. It's not totally dark outside yet, but I need to get ready for bed, and I wanted to record some of the footage of these lights with it being somewhat dark out now. And man, so far personally, I am extremely impressed, because as you can see, even with it still having some daylight out here, these things are lighting up the water and the fountains, and even the statue outside of the water, which I think is absolutely fantastic. It makes for a very decorative, beautiful view of the pond. So far, in short, these are some awesome lights for the price. You can't beat them. They are extremely cheap. Keep in mind, this is only the first day. I will be making an update video here in probably a month, just to let you know if they've lasted, because we all know that is a big issue with most things. When you purchase it, they don't last very long. But anyway, that's all for this video. So as always, thank you for coming to Bevins Builds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below. And hopefully you're having fun with your summer projects in your yard. We'll see you next time on Bevins Builds.